So I'm in Quick Check, and I don't really know what I'm doing here. So let's see if we find any crazy people. What is this? Let's zoom in. Let's follow. Wow, some random person dancing in Quick Check. If I only knew who this was. Little jerk of the head. Too quick for me. Okay, it's definitely drunk. No, I don't think that's how it's gonna work. Oh, Brad, huh? Excuse me a second. Oh, we're back. So, really? What are you doing? It's almost like I can't follow up with her. But why would someone be dancing in Quick Check is the question I have. Excuse me, miss. What are you doing? I can't even gasp. I don't want to do it. I have issues. Interesting. Okay, I'm up. Well, I'll have to catch up back with you in a few.